Yes, welcome to the newly cleaned um, kitchen. Anyway, so I'm just testing the vacuum out real quick. I didn't want to do a whole lot of cutting and stuff because my roommate went ahead and went to sleep. But next thing I've got to do is create a top. Okay, got to cut these standoffs off and create a top to go over this. There will be a couple holes in the front similar to what's going on here. I don't know if there'll be actually fans or not there, but it's so that I can create an additional space for mounting hardware, which is actually going to be on the inside of the torso. Now right now I need to make sure the wiring and everything that I did for this vacuum is correct, and just to show and make sure that it does work properly on 12 volts, I did crumple up some pieces of paper inside the dust cup to make sure we can see that there's good airflow. Because I did have to completely modify this section of pipe, and you can see it actually almost goes straight through now. So I had to modify that. So I'll go ahead and plug it in here real quick. You see the 12 volt connect directly to. Just give me just a second here on that. I'm going to okay, I think that clicked. I was just kind of holding it with my neck there. And what I want to do is go ahead and put these together. We're going to start off actually on high because I have no intention of actually ever running this on low. Doesn't really see much point in that. It's only just a little bit difference in overall suction. Just want to make sure we actually have this polarized correctly here. Black to black. I'll hold these together. You can see it start moving, okay? Alright, so not nearly as... Maybe I think all this tape is actually stuck down here in the bottom. Get it up here towards the top, so maybe we can see some of that action moving here. Because I had some aluminum foil inside of it earlier, which worked really well, but you couldn't see it on the camera, so it's kind of problematic. Alright, we'll try that again. Alright, so apparently aluminum foil worked the best. The tape just for some reason kept pushing all the way to the bottom of the cup, which is what you want it to do. You know, that's where you want it to be anyway, which is really cool to know that apparently this cyclonic suction, because of this V-shaped pattern, even horizontally will still push it to the back of the dust cup. That's some information I didn't know, because apparently I could have built one of these vacuums laterally. Would have been nice to know then. But still, that's okay. I went ahead and tested the other vacuum, the stand-up, and the brush worked fine on 12 volts as well, just like this did. And didn't produce any bad noises, no smoke or anything like that. It's really only about a volt off of what the original battery pack was, so I don't think it's going to be a problem.